For over 5 years, the premium audio world has been holding its breath, waiting for a successor that doesn't just iterate, but completely redefines what we wear on our heads. The original AirPods Max was a polarizing masterpiece, a blend of heavy stainless steel and unparalleled transparency, yet left us tethered to lightning cables and a case that many mocked as a handbag. But today, the silence is finally over because the 2026 AirPods Max 2 has arrived to reclaim the throne of high-fidelity mobile audio. This isn't just a refresh with a new charging port or a lighter frame. This is a total architectural overhaul designed for the listener who refuses to compromise on a single decibel. As you hold these in your hands, the first thing you notice is the weight, or rather, the lack of it. Apple has finally listened to the critics and replaced the heavy steel telescopic arms with a high-grade titanium alloy, significantly reducing the downward pressure on your crown while maintaining that signature industrial rigidity. The mesh canopy has been reinforced with a new carbon fiber weave that feels virtually invisible against your head, solving the long-term comfort issues that plagued the first generation during extended listening sessions. Under the hood, the heart of this beast is the dual H3 chip architecture, one in each ear cup, providing a level of computational audio we have never seen in a consumer product. We are talking about over 1 billion operations per second dedicated solely to environmental analysis and soundstage expansion. This chip enables a new era of adaptive transparency that doesn't just lower loud noises like sirens or drills, but uses AI to isolate and enhance the specific frequencies of human speech in a crowded room, making you feel like you have superhuman hearing. But the real headline for 2026 is the death of compressed audio. For the first time ever, Apple is introducing a proprietary ultra-wideband, ultra-low latency protocol that allows for true lossless audio over a wireless connection. This means that when you're listening to a high-resolution master on Apple Music, you're actually hearing the 24-bit 192 kHz stream exactly as the artist intended, without the heavy bottleneck of traditional Bluetooth codecs. The soundstage has been widened by nearly 30%, creating a holographic audio environment where instruments aren't just left or right, but positioned with surgical precision in a three-dimensional space around your skull. The active noise cancellation has also undergone a massive transformation. Instead of just blocking out low-frequency hums, the AirPods Max 2 utilizes inward-facing microphones that measure the unique shape of your ear canal 1,000 times per second. This personalized acoustic seal ensures that even if you wear glasses or have thick hair, the noise cancellation remains absolute. It creates a vacuum of silence so profound that even a jet engine or a busy subway becomes a distant memory. And then there is the battery life. We have moved from the standard 20 hours to a staggering 45 hours of continuous playback with ANC enabled. This was made possible by a new stacked battery chemistry that fits more energy density into the same ear cup volume. If you do find yourself running low, a quick 5-minute charge via the now standard USB-C port gives you 6 hours of listening time. But the most controversial change might be the new MagSafe Travel Shell. Apple has finally ditched the old bra-style case for a fully protective, hard-shell enclosure that not only protects the mesh, but also features an integrated battery pack to keep the headphones topped up while they are in your bag. The digital crown has been refined with haptic feedback that feels like a high-end mechanical watch, giving you tactile clicks as you scroll through volume levels or skip tracks. The physical buttons have been replaced with solid-state force touch sensors that eliminate moving parts, making the headphones more water and sweat-resistant than ever before. We are also seeing the introduction of bioacoustic sensors that can detect your heart rate and stress level through the skin of your ears, automatically suggesting calming spatial audio environments or focus mode soundtracks if the sensors detect you are becoming overwhelmed. It is a health tracking device disguised as a piece of luxury audio equipment. The color palette for 2026 has also shifted toward a more sophisticated, pro aesthetic with finishes like midnight titanium, deep burgundy, and a stunning natural titanium that matches the flagship iPhone lineup. Every single component, from the custom-designed 40mm dynamic drivers to the dual neodymium ring magnet motor, has been engineered to minimize total harmonic distortion to levels previously only found in wired studio monitors costing thousands of dollars. When you put these on, you aren't just listening to music, you are stepping into a private sanctuary of sound. The transition between devices is now instantaneous, thanks to the improved handoff features of the H3 chip, allowing you to move from Mac Studio to an iPad to an iPhone without a single hiccup in the stream. This is the culmination of a decade of research into how humans perceive sound. It is the bridge between the analog soul of music and the digital future of technology. The AirPods Max 2 represents the pinnacle of Apple's audio engineering, proving that they are no longer just a computer company, but a premier high-end audio house. If you have been waiting for the ultimate reason to upgrade your listening experience, the wait is officially over. This is the new gold standard for over-ear headphones, and the competition has just been left in the dust.